Michael Loiza here, filmmaker, and a bunch of other things. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but it's a little after Memorial Day in New Jersey, and they're still doing reporting about how crazy the kids are, how crazy the kids are down at the Jersey Shore. Even I saw a news article the next day after Memorial Day that I think it was like the head of police, some head of police guy was basically saying how disgusting it is about kids blowing marijuana smoke in the cops' faces and all this stuff. Speaking of going faces, a bug just flew right in my face. And he went as far as to saying that I really wish this escalates and someone gets stabbed or murdered so we can really take care of this. Don't quote me, but he said something roughly to that guidelines. I don't remember this gentleman's name, but it was rather odd. Like you're wishing for some sort of tragedy to happen because kids are getting a little chaotic and partying. I have a solution. Monitor the children because they're not going to listen to you, and you'd give them curfews and tell them not to drink and do these things. Have a truck full of condoms, throw out condoms, promote safe sex, limit STDs and STIs, and educate about, being as safe as possible because kids are going to get drunk, high, and do crazy things. Hormones, and, they're not going to, hormones is a new drug. I mean, their hormones are crazy, they're horny, they want to do stuff. So promote safety overall. Don't try to tell them what not to do or what to do. Don't try to tell them what to do and what not to do. It doesn't make sense. And they want business down the Jersey Shore. Yeah, kids are fucking crazy. But, all you can do is promote safety. And that's it. Safe fornications and safe party proclamations.